day to all. Problems started with my bathroom. 7 years ago I restored it with plastol acrylic. After 7 years, the bath came to such a state. Cracks, chips, darkening appeared, and I decided to restore the bath again. Before painting, you need to process the bath. First sand it. We grind with sandpaper and a drill. We attach the sandpaper to the Velcro nozzles. We are preparing rubber gloves. All items should be removed from the bathroom, as there will be a lot of dust and dirt. It is also necessary to remove unnecessary items around the perimeter of the bath for full access. In the beginning, I will sand the bath, then degrease, then I will apply paint. I install the nozzle on the drill, put on a mask on my face. Let's start sanding the tub. Do not forget about safety measures. You must wear safety glasses. Sandpaper is selected for rough processing. We look at the result of grinding the bath. The next step is to degrease the bath. We need baking soda, sandpaper, gloves. Pour the baking soda evenly over the entire bath. Take a shower head and pour a little water on it. Next, put on gloves. Take sandpaper for rough cleaning. Clean and degrease the bath. After stripping and degreasing, wash off the dirt with water from the watering can. Next, wipe the bathroom with a dry rag. You see these chips? They need to be puttied. Putty for metal. I bought a 3-Sila universal putty. It is well suited for the bath. It comes with a hardener. Next, use a hair dryer to get rid of the moisture. We apply putty on the chips with a rubber spatula and level. All chips are puttied. We wait 20 minutes and clean it with sandpaper. Sandpaper PAD designed for delicate cleaning. We remove the dirt with a brush and a scoop. Next, remove the upper siphon. The screw is jammed. We take a degrease. This is a rust remover. Shake it and apply it. I wait 30 minutes and try to turn it off again. I tore it out with plastic. There is no other way. I will change the siphon to a new one. Now you need to clean this section of the bath. I clean, I wash. Next, I remove the bottom siphon with a screwdriver. Again I clean it here, first with a knife, then with sandpaper. We remove the garbage. Next, we take a solvent or acetone and finally degrease the bath. Next, take a hair dryer and dry the bath thoroughly. Then we take adhesive tape and stick it on the wall above the bathroom. This is done in order not to smear the wall with paint. Here's how I did it. Next, insert disposable glasses into the sinks. This is done so that the paint does not drip onto the floor. Next, we take large disposable bags and rewind the faucet and other connectors so that water does not get on the paint. Under the bathroom bed, oilcloth, or newspapers, to get rid of paint on the floor. We fix all the hoses with tape so that there is no contact with the bathroom. Now the bath is completely ready for painting. The next step is mixing the paint. I purchased Power Green liquid acrylic for a 1.5 meter bath. Instructions for use are like this. Remove the lid. Pour in 300 ml of hardener. Mix for 10 minutes with a stick. You can start painting. Painting itself should not exceed 40 minutes. Paint volume on the floor of the bucket. Pour out the hardener completely. I mix for 10 minutes. I finish the batch. You see the paint has turned white. I cut out such a glass from a jar of hardener, put the general paint in the bath and draw paint into the glass. Now carefully pour the paint around the perimeter of the tub. I finished painting the bath. This is how I did it. I used a brush and a rubber spatula when painting. I will not show how I painted, because it is inconvenient to remove and paint. If hairs remain in the bathroom, then it is very convenient to remove them with a rubber spatula. We take a lamp and if we find bulb ashes, then we remove them with a brush. We are waiting for the bath to dry. It will dry within 24 to 36 hours. More than 2 days have passed. The bath is completely dry. A beautiful view. There is nothing sticky. Now you can fully use the bathroom, but before using we install siphons. Which I did. Now we check them for leaks. We open the water and if we find a leak, then tighten the connectors more tightly. I open the water and there is no leakage. Thank you all for your attention. Put likes and subscribe to the channel.